Now that our water, rice vinegar, and sugar has come to a boil, we're going to remove that from the heat and just let it sit. Now we're going to prepare our eggplant. Now I have a much smaller eggplant, and so I've done this to make the time that we need to cook this cut in half. So if you're using one of the bigger ones, you're going to want to bake these for about 45 minutes. And you're also going to want to cut them in slices and then cube them. But because this one is so small, just like the small zucchini, I can just go ahead and cut pieces like this. Also, when you have a large zucchini, you're probably going to want to cook it on a baking sheet and then cook your zucchini and your other vegetables inside the casserole dish, but we're eliminating that step because these are going to be about the size of our zucchinis. So we don't want our roasted vegetables to burn on the bottom, so we're going to take our butter and just cover the bottom of our pan with butter.